In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Odoo. This is a quick setup, but it's an important one if you want to start accepting online payments through your Odoo system. Connecting Stripe allows you to link your payment provider directly inside Odoo, so payment processing can work more smoothly with your sales flow. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Odoo dashboard and go to the Sales app. Once you're inside Sales, look toward the top left area of the screen for the Configuration menu. Click on Configuration and from the available options, select Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo lets you manage and activate the different payment services that can be connected to your system. When the Payment Providers page opens, you'll see a list of available providers. Here, find Stripe. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct provider, especially if you have several payment options visible. Once you locate Stripe, click Install. This tells Odoo that you want to enable Stripe as one of your payment methods. After you click Install, Odoo will prompt you to connect your Stripe account. At this stage, you'll need to log in using your Stripe credentials so the connection can be completed successfully. Make sure you're signing into the correct Stripe account, especially if you manage more than one. It's also a good idea to complete this step carefully and allow all necessary permissions so Odoo can communicate properly with Stripe. Once you've logged in and finished the connection process, that's it. Stripe is now connected to Odoo. From there, you can continue with any additional configuration inside your payment settings if needed, but the main connection itself is complete. As a quick tip, after connecting the account, it's always worth checking that the provider appears active in your payment providers list. That helps confirm the installation and connection worked as expected. If something doesn't connect right away, simply go back through the same path in Sales and review the setup screen to make sure the login step was completed properly. And that's all it takes to connect Stripe to Odoo. It's a very short process, but getting it set up correctly can save time and make your payment workflow much more efficient.